Hey there, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask Snapchat questions on your Snapchat story. To learn doing so, watch the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, download YOLO app on your Android device from the Play Store, and after it is done, tap open the app. Tap on Get Anonymous Messages. You can see a random question generated in the box up here. You can edit the question if you want to by simply tapping on it, and you can create a new question as well. To change the question suggestion, tap on the dice icon on the bottom of the screen. That will change the random question on the box. Tap on the color icon and select colors for your question box. You can pick a Bitmoji by tapping on the sticker icon beside the color icon. After you're done with picking the question of your choice, simply tap on the share button. It will automatically take you to Snapchat soon after that. Before posting, you'll need to take a snap by tapping on the circle. Now, you can adjust your question box by placing it wherever you like. You can add text, doodles, stickers, and many more. Choose to do so from the right-hand side of the screen. After you're done, tap on the story beside the Save button to add it to your Snapchat story. Or you can send it to your friends by tapping on the Send To button and selecting your friends you are sending it to. And your Snapchat question will appear on your story and will be sent to your friends as well. I hope you liked the video. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or feedbacks. I'll be back again with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.